Hi, my name's Tom. These are my brand new bookcases, kind of shelving units that I went ahead and put together a day or two ago. And my wife went ahead and put all our stuff on them. And I want to tell you all about them. They really are very nice. Here's a better look at them. You can just kind of see they just look really, really nice. They are fairly tall. They come up to my shoulder. I'm about 6 foot, so they're about 5 feet or so tall. And they are relatively narrow or not very deep. They're only about 10 inches across. And that actually works really, really well because you can put all sorts of things on it, obviously, but it still allows us, in this case, access to the window. So we can still walk this way. They do not take up a whole lot of room, but they allow you to kind of fill a wall with all sorts of great things. Now, books can definitely work on here. That's fine. We don't have a whole lot of books yet. For this particular section, we've been doing pictures and mementos and plants and picture frames and all kinds of little things here, as you can see. You can see that it's basically metal and wood. So the metal is black in this case, and then there's wood shelving here. It's all just kind of particle board, but it's strong. It's fairly sturdy. I want you to see I can shake this thing, and it is nice and sturdy. It does hold together very, very well. It's a lot of screws to put together. It took me about 45 minutes. It's really super easy to put together, but there is just a lot of screws over and over and over again. You may want to use an electric drill with some little hex or star bits. That'll make it a whole lot easier, but you don't have to have that. You can do it by hand. It gives you little Allen wrenches, and the instructions are very, very straightforward. You actually get like 11 different shelves here. So you actually have a shelving unit here with 4 shelves on it. And then you have another shelving unit over here with 4 shelves on it. And it's actually tied together then with 3 shelves in the middle. If you don't want those 3 shelves in the middle, both shelving units do have a crossbar in them that kind of tightens it all together. So both shelving units will stand on their own, without that middle piece. But the middle piece does kind of make everything nice and secure, and it just works really, really well. Again, secure, tight, easy to install, and looks really, really nice. We really like these. We're actually thinking about getting another set for the other side of the room. The shelves themselves, by the way, are not adjustable. It's pretty much here's where you put them, and that's about it. You could probably leave a shelf off if you have very tall items, a shelf off in the middle or a shelf off in the middle, and it would still be relatively stable, but I wouldn't lose any more than 1 or 2 shelves off from each unit. But overall, looks really nice. We really like them. These are highly recommended. Got them from Amazon.